Hey guys, this is just another planning attack, and this is the base that I'm looking at. Let me zoom out a little bit. This is the base. You got two ADs that are next to each other. Actually, there's four ADs that are next to each other, so I think we can lightning those out, at least a set of them if we wanted to. But here I think we want to elect to lightning out the queen and the Inferno Tower in the middle. And I do have a queen walk attack plan for this base, and it has to come from the top. And the reason is if I queen walk from the bottom and I break into this cell trying to get to these ADs, well, she will get taken out by the Inferno Tower on this side because that's the side that I didn't lightning out. However, if I lightning this out already and she break into this compartment here, this Inferno Tower is too far away to get her, so that's why the walk has to come from the top. You notice that this Inferno Tower doesn't quite reach this compartment. So if I wall break here, then she can move on. She can go in and out of that, barring that I don't get her killed because I'm too slow to react. But that's a user problem. So now we established that we have to come from the top. So let's look at the game plan again. So first thing we do is lightning out the AD, the Inferno Tower and the Queen. That's three spells gone. The AQ will come on the top, and then a Hound is released here to attract the Clan Castle. And that may be a Hound, and we'll battle him in this general region where she is safe from, maybe we'll do it reverse. We pop the CC, and then we drop the Q up top, and that way she can battle further up top in this area so that she doesn't get too many point defense pointing at her while she's battling the Hound. I'm assuming that's a Hound. I don't have a scout. So now the question is, which way is she going to walk? I don't know. It looks very symmetrical, so which way do I want her to walk? If I have my choice, I would like her to walk this way. And the reason is the towers here, and if she can trim down some of this point defenses, then we can kind of funnel the balloons towards the tower. So let's talk about what happens next here. So we hope that the queen walks this way. We can throw down some archers or wizards to clean up this area a little bit and try to get her to walk towards the right side. And once she's in this area and attracting these defenses, then we can do a 3 Hound drop. Since these two ADs are so close together, we can probably drop a Hound here, here, followed by loons, and then here, followed by loons. I will probably drop a few here as well, right behind the queen. And the idea is to get the loons pathing here. There's a lot of stops, so we're going to need a rage in this area. And also there's a lot of stops here as well. So to get to that Inferno Towers, it's quite a lot of stops, and that's worrisome. Another thing to do is possibly to wait for the queen to actually knock out this entire area. And can she? Yes, she can, because she's not going to be hit by the Inferno Tower, which stops right there. So we could wait, and that will cost us some time. But if she's able to clear out this area, then the balloon has no choice but to go straight into the Infernal Tower. It won't veer off to up this way. So what I hope is that the balloon and hound will go this way and then up. Maybe it's best to release 3 hounds right here, knowing that I want to soak up 3 rays from the Infernal Tower. So maybe that's the better idea. So I'm just running through some ideas with you guys watching. So maybe 3 hounds. And the idea is to hit this AD and then drop a rage here and the balloons right behind him. And the 3 hounds will trap 3 of the rays, leaving 2 of the rays hitting the balloon. And we're going to lose some balloons here. We also want to drop some balloons on this side, targeting this archer tower, and try to knock this out as well. And the BK we can drop here to distract this archer tower, and then drop some balloons here too. So that's preliminary planning. Let me know what you guys think. Another idea I had was I have max dragons now, so I mean we could do a few other ideas with max dragon. We could do the same queen walk, knocking out these 2 ADs. Then we could lightning out. So the queen walk will knock that out, and then I can lightning out here, taking this guy out. And then we just do a mass dragon. The queen may be walking this way or this way. And that will trim down for the dragon as well. So if she walks this way, maybe the attack will come from this side. Well, that's actually probably come from this side, because this is pointing here. This is pointing here, so probably the best area to come from is this side. Either way, we would have probably 8 max dragon and a few rages left. And the nice part about the dragon is I'm pretty sure we can get 2 stars with a dragon, because it will penetrate the base pretty deeply. So those are the 2 ideas. Let me know what you guys think.